Hi guys, it's Umar. Welcome to my channel. If you are living in UAE and you wanna sell something, Dubizzle is a good option for you guys. I have a laptop I want to sell because I am an editor and I need to upgrade now. So this was a very good laptop for me and it worked very well. But now I need to upgrade. So in order to upgrade, I don't need this. I need to sell it. To do that, I will place an ad on Dubizzle and I will show you as well. So let's do it, guys. So when you install Dubizzle app and you make an account, it will look something like this. Now we are going to sell something, so we need to click on this place and add option. Select your city where you are living in. I'm in Abu Dhabi, so I will click on Abu Dhabi. After this, it will ask you like if it is a property, a mortar, a property for rent and all that, or classified. Classifieds are like my camera, like my stand, like my light, like my laptop, my mic, anything, like chair, like bag, like lamp, anything you want to sell. These are the classified. So after clicking on the classified, it will ask me to put the details of the thing which I am selling. So basically I am selling the laptop, so I will put it's a gaming laptop, and then it will ask me to tell the category. So mine is computer and network. I will click on computer and then it will ask me what it is. Computer, it's accessory of computer, it's a software or anything. I will put computer, laptop, and then it will ask me laptop, PC or anything like that. I will put it's a laptop because that's what I'm selling. And after that it will ask me about the details like the pictures, the pricing, the age, the specs, like how much RAM it is having, how much graphic card it is having, and all that. It will ask me for the location and all that. And after putting all those details, I need to click on next, and they will say it's in review. You need to say yes, I agree, and after some time it will be working, it will be live. And that's how you guys sell. It's pretty easy. If this video was helpful for you guys, please give it a thumbs up, and if there is anything you want to know about, please say it in the comments and I will make a video about that. Thanks a lot.